Hi everyone, we're here today in Pontefract for the Licorice Festival. So we did this last year, it was really good. So come with us on our adventures today.
Oh, this time of morning. This time of morning. Oh, that wind's nice.
What time will you be back?
Oh, you messaged me, told
I
me.
did tell her. You told Dash.
You know what I mean? I know. Don't do anything I can't do, do they? Why? What? No, they don't. Everything that they're doing there, I can do, don't they? Sausage rolls.
Stop going so fast.
Who does? Well, it means looking around everywhere, isn't it? Hey? Head back down, I think. Isn't it?
Yes. Let's go back there to get some cheeses.
I don't know.
It's a bomber, isn't it? Is it?
It's all right. Oh, it's a proper licorice store. Is it?
Basically, I think so. Yeah, it is.
They have like a load of green ones.
Come on then. We'll call past the way back. Won't we? Hey?
Brown and blonde again.
Yeah. Morning.
We've only got halfway.
Yeah, I'd always go back there, mate.
Oh, it's coming.
Pretty sure last year they'd stole that other side as well. Right, we'll find somewhere to have a sit down. Busy as usual.
So far, what we've seen, we've quite a few bits here. We've still got some more to go and have a look at, but we've just sat down so that they can have something to eat. We've just used that stall just there, and prices are quite good. And how was your food?
Nice.
Nice. Elliot, how was your hot dog? Yeah, and we both said that food was nice. So, yeah, we're going to carry on now.
I said you've answered no there.
Boxes this time, not bags. They could switch the boxes this time, not bags.
You're having one up way back then.
Yeah.
You're having one up way back.
But it might be this way.
Yeah. Don't look like it, does it?
I never knew how high that high. That don't even go far. We used to go on that.
Yeah. Right, okay. I'll go sit down over there then, babe. Just tell mummy what you want. It's on a video. Go sit. Elliot. Elliot. Daddy, go sit over there.
How does the girl at the bottom of the cars?
Let's take a moment and just serene by that.
I was trying to work out what we were. Maybe. Oh, could be, yeah, Tilly maybe. Oh, Tilly Bean, yes.
Sorry, love.
You're right.
Excuse me, you stood right in front of us. In front of me, I want to move the car to let the car through, sorry. It ages now you've got to still.
Manuel, love, sorry.
No, you're not.
Sorry.
No, it's fine.
Crammed in like sardines that way.
Hi, well, we've just left the Pontefract Licorice Festival and we are going to Farmer Copley's now to do the strawberry experience. To pick some strawberries, and they do raspberries, blackberries, gooseberries, so they've got loads of different things there. So yeah, so pick you up in a minute. So we are here now at Pontefract in Farmer Copley's. We love coming here. We do a lot of the events here. So down there you've got the Moo Cafe, which is lovely in there. You've got the Copley's, what's it called? Copley's Kitchen, which does the ice cream and things. And we are going up there.
Let's go.
To the strawberry experience. So we've got raspberries in those two, strawberries for most of them, and then you've got an orchard down there which is apples and pears. So yeah, right, let's go and pick some. So the good thing is that if you struggle with your back and things like that, they're at this height to pick them, the right height there. So, which is really, really good. I've never known it like this. I can remember when I was a kid going and picking strawberries and they were down on the floor.
How many strawberries?
Look how many we've got so far.
Can't wait to eat them.
And then we've got to get the raspberries.
Ooh. Challenge.
So this is how many we've got.
We're finishing
We've
off
finished
the
with the strawberries. We're now going to the raspberry one now, raspberry brushes. So we've just done the strawberry picking and the raspberry picking. So what did you get, Elliot? Let's have a look.
We've got all of this.
Let's just turn you around.
So much.
There, that's what the strawberries we got.
And then the raspberries. We didn't get as much because
These
there was
are the
these
raspberries.
dried out ones. It wasn't like very good ones.
I don't think the weather's helped with the raspberries, to be honest.
They were either dried out or not ready.
So it's a little bit of a shame, but it's only me that likes them, so there's just enough there for me. So yeah, but it was really good. So it's nice to have the strawberry bushes, the plants up on high like that, because like I say, with anybody that's got suffers with the back like myself or anything like that, or bending with or kneeling down on the ground, it's so much better because they're up at like waist height, so they're just ideal. So yeah, it is a good experience to come and do. I recommend it to anybody. So we have got a few more events that we'll be doing here this year, like the Pumpkin Festival. We'll be coming to do that, and we've got the Accelerate, which is the car show that they do. I think it's actually a different company that comes in to do that, but we came to it last year and it was really good, so we decided to do it this year. But anyway, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye for now.